front, and she's taking me to all of these little bakeries. We're in a market right now, and I'm gonna do some B-roll so you can see some of the area, but I just had to show you this. So beautiful. There's lots of little cheese shops, and look how gorgeous it is. So gorgeous. This little cheese shop over here. It's beautiful. These beautiful flowers over here. They're so nice. Those. What's your favorite type of cheese that you like to get?
There's so many of them.
There's so many?
I love these Paris, these little ones.
Ah, Paris.
À l'amour, j'avais envie de voir en vous cet amour. Ne vous déplaise, en dansant la javanaise. Nous nous aimions le temps du feu, chanson, mais la vie.
So my friend's aunt, she just took me to her first apartment when she moved here in 1993, and she told me that all of these buildings are 17th century. So for someone like me who's from Canada, where everything in my city is, you know, built within the last few years, this is really special. This is so beautiful right here. It's gorgeous. If you guys know Emily in Paris, this is where they shot it. And that over there is the restaurant over there. And then right beside, that's the bakery where she would get her croissants in the morning. How cute is that? I actually recognize this now. And that is so pretty. Oh, that is so neat. So that's where the guy worked when he worked at the restaurant, and then Emily liked him. There's that cute, oh, that is so cute. I'm gonna go across the street and look at it. Oh, that is so neat. I didn't even know that I'd come here. My friend's aunt, she knows, well, she's been here so long, she knows where everything is. Oh, that is so cool. And then I'm sure she'll tell me what that is, but this is so neat. Here's the restaurant from Emily in Paris. Oh, that is so neat. Oh, and then there's the bakery. That's so cool.
I think in the there's a new version of Sabrina too, and I can't remember which one that they filmed some of it here.
So cute. So this is a place where they've done a lot of films.
Contrescarpe.
Did you guys hear that? And oh, it's so pretty. So it's a little square. So cute. And this is my first Parisian crepe. It's lemon sugar. So this over here is where Ernest Hemingway used to live. And how beautiful is that? My friend's aunt, she knows everything. So she's lived here for over 25 years. How special is that?
I think they just Josephine Baker.
Oh
There as
wow.
well.
So it's not a cemetery, but it's
No, I'm not really sure what it was originally built for, if it was built for that, but basically it's aux grands hommes, the great men of France.
Right.
Buried there. And Marie
And
Curie
it's-
was the first woman.
and it's called the Pantheon.
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 Wow. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these are the law schools. University of Paris.
And so the University of Paris is all throughout Paris, little
It's all
buildings.
throughout Paris
Yes.
with different parts in it. There's
Yeah.
the Sorbonne is just behind there.
Uh-huh.
The Science University is at Jussieu. Also part of it is by the Curie Institute, the
Okay.
University of
Yeah.
Pierre and Marie Curie. They're all affiliated as partners.
The University of Paris. Oh, it's really beautiful. It's gorgeous. Place du Panthéon.
This is the mairie of the 5th arrondissement. Every arrondissement has its own mairie.
It's the which
There's the Eiffel
arrondissement?
Tower.
Oh, wow.
This is the 5th.
Wow, this is the
This is
5th.
the 5th. I am in the 13th, on the edge of the 5th.
Wow, so this is my second time seeing the Eiffel Tower. I always thought I would just see it more often in Paris, but this is beautiful. This is really gorgeous. There it
And
is.
at the bottom is the Luxembourg Gardens. At the bottom.
Wow. So we're gonna go to the Luxembourg Gardens, which is at the bottom. And another beautiful little French restaurant. This is so special. I feel so lucky to have you here and that we're going on this adventure. I would have never seen any of this if it wasn't for you. This is amazing. And at night it must be beautiful. It's all lit up. If I were to come here at night, which I won't, but
Well,
would
the
have been
Luxembourg
nice.
Gardens will be closed at night.
at night, yeah.
And the Eiffel Tower is lit, but it only sparkles on the hour. This is the top of the Montagne Saint-Geneviève.
We love Sandro.
And the Niagara, yeah, story video.
So these are the Luxembourg Gardens. We're gonna enter. It's beautiful. There's palm trees here. That's so strange.
They move them inside in the winter.
And is there a lot of snow in the winter? Or usually not? No.
Ensemble, prenez des précautions. Jimmy, c'est toi, Jimmy? Jimmy?
Some theater in the park. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. You keep walking and I'll catch up with you. You see those little boats in there? Those are, little children can rent them, or their parents, and they can push them around with the stick. How cute is that? And then over here, this is the Senat. Gorgeous. Wow, they have rifles here. I thought they didn't have guns near, or maybe that's just in London. Wow. It's gorgeous. So pretty. So there's a little dog run over here. We're gonna see some puppies.
Il a quel âge? Le petit?
3 mois, un peu plus de 3 mois.
Ouais, adorable. Look at him, so cute.
Mais je suis français. He's 3 months
Petit beau
old.
là.
was this again?
Saint-Sulpice.
Beautiful. Look how beautiful this is over here. It's just so pretty. All of these little spots. So this is a little Madeleine shop, and they have these are called meringues. Oh, that is so pretty. Raisin bread. Oh wow, that looks so good. Oh, I want one of those. So this over here is the Seine. It's my first time seeing it, and it's so pretty. Hey again, so this is Notre-Dame, my first time seeing it, and it's so beautiful. I'm just going to show you that area. So gorgeous. And so Notre-Dame, they had a fire a few years ago, I'm sure you guys remember, and yeah, so you can't go too close to it. As you can see, it's boarded up, but it's really beautiful, and it's one of the oldest cathedrals in the world. I think she said 14th century, but I'm not 100% sure. It's really nice. So this is what it looked like before, and as you can see, the fire over here. It's crazy. Wow. But they're fixing it. Wow, that's so intense. 13th century. Okay, I said 14th. So the 13th century. And there you can see it. Wow, look at that. So we're at the Seine and we're heading into the Marais, she says. So there's the Pantheon that we just were at before, and it's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. Back. Hi, little puppies. You're so cute. This over here is Hôtel de Ville, which is the government building. I forget the exact word. It's the government building, right?
Yeah, it's the City Hall.
City Hall. So it's the City Hall. Hôtel de Ville. So pretty. This is so pretty. So City Hall. I'm going to show you guys from the front so you can see what it looks like. So here is the front of the City Hall, Hôtel de Ville, and it's so gorgeous. It's beautiful. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Paris is so beautiful.
Now a department store again, but it was closed about 15 years ago in very mysterious circumstances. And now it's a high-end department store as well, and I think it's Louis Vuitton the board is.
Oh, wow.
Louis Vuitton. There's many Vuitton stores over here.
It's beautiful.
At least I think it's Louis.
We can't see the Eiffel Tower anymore. Oh, there it is. There you can see the Eiffel Tower just a little bit. Hey guys, look what I found. The Louis Vuitton. Can you see that? It's beautiful. It's Sunday right now, so it's closed. And what street is this?
The name of it is the Pont Neuf.
Oh, Pont Neuf. So this is the Pont Neuf, which is funny. Louis Vuitton has a bag called the Pont Neuf. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's so cool. Now I know.
Very neuf for a Pont Neuf, but
Now I know what the bag gets their name from. So beautiful. And then that's the Seine just over there. So beautiful. And here is the Louvre. This is my first time seeing the Louvre. It's so beautiful. is where the Mona Lisa is, right?
Yeah.
This is where the Mona Lisa is. Really pretty. And then there's the Seine right across the street. Yeah. This is the Louvre, guys.
The other thing, although I don't think that there are no churns, that means the one was quite often less people.
Look, guys, it's the pyramids. So this will be the first time that I'm seeing those. So special. Wow.
और रजत तू का तू टेंशन लेना तू लाई रख दे आने
This is gorgeous.
Like under that arch there.
Yeah.
And that arch is lined up with the Arc de Triomphe and lined up with the arch at La Défense, way out in the western wall.
J'ai pressé.
Okay.
Happy